Meet the Keurig K-Mini, a stylish and ultra-compact single-serve coffee maker designed for any space. Unboxing this sleek matte black machine, you'll immediately notice its modern, minimalist aesthetic. The K-Mini packs a punch with features like a removable drip tray to accommodate travel mugs and a cord storage compartment for easy transport. Using the K-Mini is effortless. Simply add fresh water, pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, and press the brew button for a perfect cup every time. Built with quality in mind, the K-Mini features a durable plastic construction and an energy-efficient auto-off mode. Whether you're short on counter space or need a portable brewing solution, the Keurig K-Mini delivers fresh, delicious coffee with ultimate convenience.